Hello everyone, welcome to the Rockets for School rocket build tutorial, level 1 and some level 2s. I'd like to start off with the first safety reminder on building rockets and the materials you're going to be using. If you're going to do any sanding, drilling, or grinding, we need to wear some safety glasses. And if you're going to be applying epoxy, always wear your gloves. And to remove any epoxy that you don't need to have anywhere besides the rocket, there's some rubbing alcohol which will wipe the epoxy clean as long as it isn't cured. The materials you're going to have to use to construct this Rockets for School rocket have a razor blade, either 60 or 100 grit sandpaper will work, craft sticks. As I find them here.
In the corner.
Oh, yeah. Craft sticks, plenty of them. You can have the standard craft sticks or the wide craft sticks to do your thin fillets. Paper cups, I think these are 3-ounce paper cups. They work good. Plastic cups, not paper cups, sorry. Masking tape is a good idea to have for masking off certain parts that we'll be going through. And your 5-minute epoxy. These are the small containers. You're probably going to have the 9-ounce. Let's go over the parts of the rockets. Now, level 1 rocket, you should have a 4-inch diameter type nose cone. You should have 3 small wood screws to attach the nose cone to the payload section. This is a 17-inch payload section that comes with the kit. 1 bulk plate with a eye bolt, 2 washers, and 2 nuts. You should have a 34-inch slotted rocket booster, 3 slots on it. Forward centering ring. Just has 1 big hole in it, and then a 1/4-inch hole with a eye bolt, probably in another package, with 2 washers and 2 nuts. You should have a middle centering ring with 3 thin slots carved into it. And you should have a aft centering ring with 3 slots in it and a big 38mm hole. You may have 2 holes on each side of it, which is usually, some kits come with them, some don't. We probably won't be using that. You'll have a 36-inch nylon parachute, a 25-foot recovery shock cord, and 2 quick links. And of course your epoxy. Electronic bays and fin alignment tools are optional parts that you may request from Lock Precision. The same parts that I mentioned for the level 1 kit will be the same as for the level 2 kit, only they'll just be a little bit larger. I'd like to explain the parts of the rocket and the back end of the rocket and the front end of the rocket. As we look at a rocket like this as the booster section, we call this the aft end. And when the whole rocket's together, we call that the forward. If each component of the rocket is separated, we still call this the aft, and we call this part the forward of the booster.